Holy shit.
I have never.
Jonah, don't ruin the video by talking like, I have never seen no clouds in my life.
Gosh, it's a double cloud rainbow.
And they're all moving.
It's a double turning
Dude,
rainbow.
look at that.
Holy shit.
Dude, that might be a tornado coming down. You won't no balls. If I die in a tornado, I hope you know you have no balls. Oh, hold this. I'm gonna grab a beer. Crown Royal. Crown Royal. Wow. That does look weird.
Yeah, like that's like I've never seen quite like that.
About to hail, I think. Oh. No balls. I wonder how long my phone will record for. I hope it's long enough to have tornado on camera. Sell it to the news. Them dummies.
Best part of the video.
Yeah, sell it to them dummies at the news. Look at that, some twisty cloud. We'll give you $5,000 for that horrific video of cloud coverage. They are just rolling in, just hanging out. But they still ain't got no balls. Look at that, they're meeting.
Again.
They're like
again,
friends.
and again.
They're like best buds. Hey, what up, Storm? Not a whole lot, you. Let's make a tornado together and say what up. We're gonna have a baby clouds meet and have babies, baby tornadoes. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? There might be a tornado. Holy fuck! 3 tornadoes, triple tornado. No balls. You won't have
Look at
3
that,
tornadoes.
Right there.
That looks a lot more
that
like
funnel.
Jonna. That looks more like tornadoes here. 1, 2, zoom.
Like, look at this. This is literally spiraling.
I just got the chills. That might be a tornado. What is that?
Spiraling, spiraling.
Jonna, don't sing. I wish I had a good song to sing to this. That's not spiraling.
There's more words to that song. It's just the first word.
Oh, no balls. I think that's gonna be it. How did only one siren go out? What the
Right,
fuck?
yeah, I'm still surprised by that.
That's making me think there's not gonna be a tornado. You know that news?
Yeah, that makes
When
me
it only
feel
goes
like,
out.
okay,
Now it's all
raining
moving
out
back
here.
to the left. What is it doing?
That's not good. Because it's not supposed to go to the left. It's never supposed to go to the left.
Mine always goes to the left.
Tornado jokes. Because that's not the
Yeah, because that's all going
west.
left. That out there is all going
East.
to the right. To the American right.
This is all.
Oh no. Somebody doesn't sound happy.
I know, I don't want to put on today.
Dude, I want to go driving.
I know, right?
I don't think it's gonna happen.